freight of trucks requiring the same. Number 5, permitting some passenger to ride on running board, stepboard, or mudguard of MV while the same is in motion. 6, failure to dim headlights when approaching another motor. Number 7, driving in a place not intended for traffic or to a place not allowed for parking. 8, teaching or permitting a person or a bicycle, motorcycle, tricycle, or skateboarder to hitch to a motor. Remarks 1,000.
Although yung ibang mga penalty, lagi naman yan 1,000 ang yung penalty. Failure to provide compass, Argos, or freight of truck requiring same. Yan. Usually, yung ating truck kasi, yung mga cargo, dapat daw po may cover yan. Once na tumakbo, dapat may cover yung ibabaw nila. Ano? Then, permitting passenger to ride on the running board, stepboard, mudguard, motor vehicle when habang tumatakbo, pinapayagan mo yung bisikleta, nakakapit sa likod ng sasakyan mo. Yan. Pag nakita ka, ang hinuhuli na ulit, yung driver, hindi yung nakasabit. Ano? Kumbaga, pinagmumulta yung driver ng 1,000 pesos. Failure to dim, bright. Yung ating sasakyan, meron po yung dim, bright. Dim, bright. Yung bright, bawal yung gamitin if kayo ay may kasalubong na ibang sasakyan. Gagamitin mo lang yung dim, dapat ang gamit mo habang kayo ay tumatakbo sa gabi. Hindi po pwedeng gamitin yung bright light, bright kasi nakakasilaw yan. Kaya walang gumagamit yung bright. Usually dapat nakandito po kayo. Once na kayo tumatakbo sa gabi. And then, driving in a place not intended traffic into a place that allowed for parking. O sa mga hindi naman dapat daw parkingan. Tulad ng bike lane. Ang bike lane, usually, hindi daw dapat po gawing parking area. Then, next is hitching or permitting a person to a vehicle. O yun din yun, pagkapit doon sa pinapayagan mong sumabit yung nagbabike, nag-skateboard, doon sa likuran ng sakyan mo, yan daw may pakula lagi 1,000 ang penalty. Yan. Next.
Violation number 9, driving against the flow of traffic. Number 10, illegal turn. 11, illegal overtaking. 12, overtaking at a safe distance. 13, cutting an overtaken vehicle. 14, failure to give way on overtaking vehicle. 15, increasing speed when being overtaken. 16, overtaking when left side is not visible or clear of oncoming traffic. 17, overtaking upon a crest or a grade. And 18, overtaking upon a curve. Remarks 1,000.
Okay. Driving against the flow of traffic. Siyempre, yung sumasalubong kayo sa imbis na pa-right, pa-left naman kayo. Dinalubong ninyo. Okay. Next natin, number 10. Illegal turn. Okay. Paano ba yung sasakyan ninyo naging illegal turn? Okay. Una, si motor vehicle A at saka si motor vehicle B. Paano naging illegal turn? Si B, nasa inner lane, nag-right turn. Si A, na nasa outer lane, dito naman siya nag-left turn. Automatic illegal turn yun. Yun po yung mga nagbabawal na liko. Then, illegal overtaking. Mas madali ang pagbibihin ng illegal overtaking. Nag-overtake kayo sa curb. Nag-overtake kayo sa uphill. Nag-overtake kayo doon sa single straight lane. Nag-overtake kayo sa double straight lane. Yun po yung mga illegal overtaking na lane. Overtaking at safe distance. Yun yung tawag kanina, ayaw ka sa inyo. Nag-overtake at safe distance. Overtake mo, kinat na rin agad. Yun po yung illegal. Cutting and overtaking vehicle. Pero pa rin yun, kinat mo. Then, failure to give way an overtaking vehicle. Alam niyo na may overtake. Sige, ang bilis mo pa rin. Dapat supposed to be, kung may overtake, sumasalubong sa inyo, kayo naman mag-give way. Ibig sabihin, mag-slow down dapat kayo, hindi sasalubungin niyo pa kayo. Diba? Then, increase speed when overtaking. If meron doon naman overtake sa inyo, kailangan mag-slow down ka. Hindi yung alam mo na may overtake sa iyo, sige ka pa rin. Bilibilis mo pa rin. Ayaw mong overtake yung bawal. Increasing speed when overtaking. Overtaking when left side is not visible or sa mga kurbada, alam niyo lang hindi nakikita yun po yung bawal. Then, overtaking upon a crest or grade. Or yung sa mga uphill or downhill. Then, overtaking upon a curve. Sa mga kurbada nga, bawal yung overtaking. Ano? Saren?
Violation number 19, overtaking at any railway grade crossing. Number 20, overtaking at an intersection. 21, overtaking on men working or caution signs. 22, overtaking at no overtaking zone. 23, failure to yield the right of way. Failure of a vehicle on the left to yield the right of way to the vehicle on the right when these vehicles approach or enter an intersection at the same time. 24. Failure to yield the right of way. Failure of a vehicle approaching but not entering an intersection to yield the right of way to a vehicle within such intersection. Remarks 1,000.
Okay. Overtaking at any railway grade crossing. Usually, wala naman dito release ng train. Ano? Kaya wala kayong iwasan. Overtaking at intersection. O, sa mga intersection, bawal daw po mag-overtake doon. Overtaking on men working or may mga caution sign na may gumagawa. Overtake at no overtaking zone. Sa mga bawal na overtaking area, bawal po kayo mag-overtake. Failure to yield the right of way. Failure to yield the right of the vehicle. Okay. Sa rule number 20, section 23, sabi na, failure to yield the right of way. Okay. Si motor vehicle A, straight. Si motor vehicle B, straight ulit. Sino nga ba naka-right of way? Si A. Si A ang naka-right of way dito. Ang ginawa ngayon, failure to yield the right of way. Dapat si A ang mauna. Ang ginawa ni B, inunahan niya si A. Okay? Pagdating dito, huli ka. Hulihin ka dito. Kasi ito yung ayon sa section 23, yield the right of way. Dapat bigyan muna ito si A na makadiretso before yung B maka-proceed. Failure to yield the right of way, failure of a vehicle proceed but not entered in an intersection. Then the vehicle with such intersection. Sa isang intersection na service, supposedly, ito yung public highway, kailangan before ka mag-left turn, kailangan mag-stop ka muna, stop, then before ka mag-proceed. Ano? Okay, let's start it.
Violation number 25. Failure to yield the right of way. Failure of a driver of any vehicle upon a highway within a business or residential district to yield the right of way to pedestrian crossing. 26. Failure to stop before traversing through highway or railroad crossing. 57. Failure to yield right of way. Failure of a driver entering a highway from a private road or driver upon a highway to yield the right of way to all vehicles approaching on such highway. 28. Failure to yield right of way to ambulance, police, or fire department vehicles. 29. Failure to yield right of way to a through highway or a stop intersection. All remarks are passed.
Okay. Sabi nga dito, failure to yield the right of way of a driver in any vehicle upon a highway within the business district or the right of way to a pedestrian crossing. Kaya yung ating pedestrian crossing, yung right of way pedestrian. Kaya kapag may nakita lang po tayo tumatawid sa pedestrian, mag-stop muna tayo, kaya natin tumawid yung tao sa pedestrian before tayo mag-proceed. Failure to stop traversing through highway. O bago pa pumasok ng isang highway, through highway, nagaling kayo sa railroad crossing or sa railroad crossing, although pala nga railroad crossing dito, kumbaga, supposed to be, stop muna before kayo mag-proceed. Failure to yield the right of way doon sa mga right of way to all vehicle approaching on such highway. Na all vehicle na approaching, na papasok na highway is stop muna before kayo mag-proceed. The next is failure to yield the right of way to the ambulance. If ever kayo ay meron nasa likod ng ambulance, nasa inner, at ang ambulance ay nasa inner din, lilipat daw kayo sa outer lane. Kumbaga, police patrol o fire trucks na nasa inner lane, lilipat kayo sa outer lane, then before kayo mag-proceed. Failure to yield the right of way of a true highway or a stop intersection before you enter in sa mga true highway, supposed to be dapat daw mag-stop before kayo mag-enter yung sa section 29. Okay? Sa then,
30, fair to yield to give the operating signal. 31, little fairfield of the driver or moderator intended to run to the right and intention to close that and possession of the lane for traffic. Nearest to the right side of the highway, ready to keep as close as possible to the right, anchor or edge of the highway. Intended to a little fairfield of the driver or excavator intended to turn to the left. To approach such intention in the lane for traffic to the right of the nearest to the center line of the highway. Turn into the path, the left of the finger to the section itself upon highway lane for traffic and upon highway renounce and caution.
very good. Okay. Failure to give up sa main signal. Ibig sabihin, kapag daw po kayo magra-right turn or magre-left turn, dapat gagamit ka ng signal. Kung magra-right turn ka, dapat signal ka sa right. Kung magle-left ka naman, dapat gumamit ka ng signal. If ever kayo gumamit ng signal at kayo ay magra-right or left turn, pwede kayo mahuli. Bawal yun. Then, illegal turn. Failure to a driver of motor vehicle intended to run to the right at an intersection. Okay. Sa isang intersection. Okay. Sabi nga, ito. Si A, alam na siya ay pa-right. Ginawa niya straight. Si B, ay siya naman ay dapat ay pa-left turn. Ginawa niya mag-straight. Yan. Yan po yung mga imbis na siya daw ay paligo, ginawa mo ay pa-diretso, yung po yung tinatawag na illegal. Bawal po yung gano'n na kayo ay nakapwesto sa left or right na dapat ay pa-right turn, dapat mag-right turn ka. Illegal turn, failure of a driver of a vehicle intending to turn to the left. Close such intersection is the lane of the traffic right at the nearest of the center of the lane. Yan. Ito naman, sa gitna, sa gitna, dito ka naman nag-left turn. Bawal pa rin. Supposed to be, kasi kung yung mag-left turn, dapat nasa inner lane ka. Wala ka dito dapat sa middle lane. Kapag ikaw ay nasa middle lane, supposed to be dapat ikaw ay straight. Oo. Bawal ka dyan, nasa middle lane ka. Ginawa mo, mag-right turn ka, huli ka pa rin, bawal yun. Nasa middle lane ka, nag-left turn ka, bawal yun. And usually, sa SNR, hinuhuli ako pag ikaw ay nandun sa middle lane ka, gusto ka nag-left turn. Okay, next natin.
Violation 33, failure to stop motor and notch handbrake of motor vehicle when unattended. 34, unsafe towing. 35, obstruction. 36, motorcycle carrying more passenger other than the back ride or cargo other than the saddlebags and luggage carriers. Remarks 1,000.
Okay. Failure to stop a motor nuts handbrake. Usually ito kasi, yung nuts handbrake, Yan po yung ginagamit natin. Usually mas known as handbrake yung ginagamit. Kaya lang yan, sabi ko dito, yung handbrake, alam na si traffic enforcer, silipin yung sasakyan niyo sa parking area, kung kayo ay naka-handbrake, isa-isahin pa ba naman niya yun? Hindi. Ang nangyayari kasi dito, malalaman na hindi naka-handbrake, if isang sasakyan, ikaw ay walang driver, bigla siyang kumabante. Pag biglang kumabante yun, ibig sabihin, hindi siya naka-handbrake. Kapag siya nakabangga, bukod doon sa nabanggaan niya, nababayaran niya, yun ay magkakaroon pa siya ng penalty sa hindi paggamit ayon sa Section 30 na kanyang handbrake na ginagamit. Ano? Then, unsafe towing. Usually, dito wala naman dito mga nagtutowing. Usually, dito kasi pag mga illegal park, usually karamihan, ticket agad. Hindi tulad sa Luzon, kapag mayroon naman mga illegal park, usually doon ginagawa, towing agad. Ano? Then, obstruction. Minsan kasi, usually sa obstruction kasi, kapag maliit ang sasakyan, madali naman yan, hindi nakakasuha ng obstruction. Bakit? Naitutulak yung sasakyan malaki. Karamihan, ang nalalagyan ng obstruction dito, kapag yung mga truck, lalo na yung mga trailer, pag inabot ng sira sa gitna ng kalsada, paano yung tutulak yun? O diba? Kaya nangyayari sa kanya, natitigil siya, ayos na sa 33, yung obstruction. Then, motorcycle carrying more passenger other than the back rider. Usually, yan, dito pala naman nakita yan. Dito lang naman puso-puso yan sa Mindanao. Puti mo hanggang sa tangke, mayroong nakalagang tao. Although meron dito yung skyline na tinatawag na sa ano, meron ko pa nakikita yan sa parting Kalinan o kaya dito sa may papuntang Buda. Yan, meron doon, may isang tangke. Kinakagani nila ng pangpasero. Pero ito po bawal. Sa motorcycle, allowed lang kasi one passengers lamang daw pwede. Ano? Okay, next natin.
Violations in connection with motor vehicle registration or renewal or operation. Violation, driving an unregistered motor vehicle, engine or tempered chassis, remarks 10,000 plus, impounding of motor vehicle if expired registration is more than 1 month, undocumented engines and motor vehicle shall be impounded for 1 year. Unauthorized motor vehicle modification 5,000, operating a right-hand drive motor vehicle 50,000.
Okay. Sabi dito, driving unregistered motor vehicle. Sabi nga sa inyo lagi kanina dito, di ba? Pag unregistered, 10,000. Even though pala isang buwan lang na delay ha, isang buwan lang na delay. O isipin mo, 10,000 agad yung penalty mo. Kasi halimbawa, ano ba man yun? June. Ano? Yung June, yung sasakyan dapat may pa-register siya ng June. O, nangyari is July na, hindi pa siya nare-register, kung nahuli, automatic 10,000 agad. Kaya pag ang inyong sasakyan po unexpired, tandaan nyo, huwag nyo lang muna gamitin. Kailangan may pa-register muna at napakalaki ng penalty kapag nahuli na unregistered. Ano? Then, sabi nga, engine tampering. Usually kasi, meron kasi sa engine, ito kasing engine, usually, halimbawa, sa engine na sakyan ninyo is, gawin na yung aking makina. Ginawa ninyo, magpalit agad kayo ng makina. Without knowing sa LTO na nagpalit kayo, yun po ay bawal. Automatic yan, dapat ipare-register nyo yung kapalit, yung bagong kapalit na makina na nagpalit kayo ng makina. Yan, hindi pwedeng basta nagpalit na lang kayo. Gusto nyo nagpalit ng makina, palit na lang kayo, hindi pwede yun. Dapat ipare-register nyo pa rin ka LTO na nag-change of engine kayo. Yan. Unauthorized motor vehicle modification. Oh, let's say, halimbawa sa modification naman, yung nagkalit ka ng muffler. Yan, ingay. Yan. Although modification, yung di ba, mayroong mga malaking gulong. Yung sa mga Casio, o bawal yung makakulit sa kalye. Kasi nga, yung tawag na monster truck. Pala, yun, monster truck, di ba? Bawal yun. Then, operating a right-hand drive motor vehicle. Yan. Usually, yan kasi vehicle natin dito, tulad ng transformer, multi-cab, yan po ay dumating dito sa atin sa Mindanao, yan po ay nandun sa right. Kasi yan, original niyan talagang malabela yan, nasa kanan or nasa right. Usually, yan ang original yan. Kasi yan ay galing Japan. Sa Japan kasi, ang malabela nasa right. Ngayon, bawal daw pong gamitin natin yan nang nasa right pa yung malabela. Kailangan mailipat muna doon sa left. Pag ginamit mo yan, automatic ang penalty niya ay 50,000 pesos. Okay, next natin.
Violation. Motor vehicles operating without or with defective, improper, unauthorized accessories and
Nakopya tayo.
devices.
Nakopya tayo.